Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to my channel, and today we're doing Tinashe Hair. Inside of the goodie bag you get lashes, an edge brush and comb, a headband, a bonnet, 2 HD wig caps, 2 clips, and bobby pins. And last but not least, a melt belt. So moving into the hair itself, they include a pamphlet that has all of the instructions that you need to know on the inside, how to wash, take care of your hair, and their social media outlets. So I got this wig in 22 inches and it is in a water wave texture. This wig comes with pre-cut lace, 2 combs in the front, a glueless band that's sewn in, it's not removable. It has a comb in the back and adjustable straps, and it is a breathable cap. So it's install time. So this is the hair after I washed, conditioned it, and bleached the knots. It's ready to go. So I'm going to go in with my Temptation in medium brown, and I'm just going to cover my entire closure with that to mimic, my scalp color. As always, I'm going in my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist in this shade right here, and I just put it right in the area I know my closure will be. Okay, so I'm going in with the same brush and color that I used on my wig cap just to further blend out the very edge of that lace because it can give off a white cast. This is a glueless install, no glue will be used, got to be anything like that. So I can't rely on, the melting effect of those things. I have to make sure it's blended out properly. So now I'm just cleaning up my part and I'm gonna get into my baby hair. After I parted out my baby hair sections, they were looking a little bit thick to me. It was the area I wanted, but it was just a little bit too thick. So just go in and you can hand tweeze them. You can use tweezers, whichever one you like, but just kind of thin them out. You don't want it to be ridiculous, girl, okay? So I just, as you can see, just a little hair makes a difference for those little baby hairs in the front. just going to wet the hair, detangle, and get the, you know, pattern back in the hair. After fussing around with it, it gets kind of messed up. So I'm just gonna wet it real good, and not soaking wet, but I'm gonna wet it good enough, and then I'm going to brush through it, make sure everything's all good. I really did not have to do anything to this hair, you guys. Everything was just popping about it. My main focus was just making sure my hairline was blended out real good, and you know, making sure things were in place. Okay, ladies, so that's it. As you can see, another glueless install. This one's looking really good. The hair is soft, and the density is actually really perfect. It was looking a little bit thin to me, to be honest, but once it's, you know, detangled, you put your water on it and it's fluffed back out, it's actually the perfect everyday density. You know, I love it. Everyday length, everyday density. So this is definitely it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the